let's talk about time periods and tumultuous time. You know, some would say we're going through tumultuous time now. But I explain to the kids that, really, when you think about it, that's just history. Every 30, 40, 50 years, we go through what's called a historic bump. And if you look at the timeline, and there's stuff that I don't even have up here, like Great Depression. What we're going through now is the historic bump. I know you don't want to hear that, and I'm not downplaying it, but it's what happens historically. And I've been telling the kids, we're due for another, maybe they didn't live through the 60s, but maybe we're going through another time period like that. You would think that we would learn from it.